In this objective question, from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct option, illustrating the correct matching among the source and function. For this, let me avoid the wrong option to specify the correct option. Let me avoid option A. Why? Because oxytocin is formed by the hypothalamus and it is getting stored in posterior pituitary for a while for controlling the smooth muscle contractions. So we are avoiding option A. Why we are avoiding option C? Because progesterone is formed by corpus luteum, but it is not controlling the female secondary sex organ. So we are avoiding option C. Why we are avoiding option D? Because this atrial natriuretic factor or ANF, it is produced by ventricle wall but not increasing the blood pressure. It is decreasing the blood pressure by increasing the diameter of the blood vessel and capillary. So we are avoiding option D. We are choosing option B as a correct answer. Why? Because melatonin, a hormone formed by the pineal gland, is responsible for controlling the sleep-wake cycle. This is getting deviated when we are taking the narcotic drugs or any type of beverage. When you are consuming, automatically the sleep-wake cycle will be deviated. So option B is exactly a correct match, so that we choose an option B as a correct answer after ignoring option A, C and D to secure 4 mark. What are the points we told with this option? We are giving as a point-wise narration to have a recap so that we can refer in future for better clarity. Hypothalamus produces neurohypophyseal hormone oxytocin, which is stored in the posterior pituitary for some time. When there is a requirement for the smooth muscle contraction, at the time oxytocin will be released by the posterior pituitary. During birth, the oxytocin induces the contraction of the smooth muscle tissue in the uterine wall. A female hormone called progesterone is secreted by the ovary during ovulation, the process by which an ovary releases a developed egg. When an egg is fertilized by a sperm, progesterone aids in preparing the endometrium or inner layer of the uterus, the lining that lines the uterus, to receive the egg. We can say in any notation. Menstrual bleeding starts when progesterone level falls and the egg is not fertilized. The right atrium of the heart secretes a hormone called atrial natriuretic factor, which helps to control the blood pressure by encouraging the kidney to secrete water and salt. So with this specification, we choose an option B as a correct option to secure 4 mark.